Yo, what is good? This is It's Kimch. It's been a while since I made a video, but I wanted to show you all this. I'm over here at King's Auto Body. I wanted to show you all what is probably the final version of this car. And as you all know, King's has done something for me before. They painted my Adro kit, and today we have a little bit more work done. I don't know if you all can tell, but damn, look at that hood. This is the Adro V2 hood. I did get it paint matched. Look at the paint. It looks spectacular. That paint is pretty spot on, honestly. I don't really see anything wrong with the paint. Reflects in the sun like it's supposed to. Has that nice metallic gold flake. And then in the dark, it'll probably just look like a very flat gray, just like real Dravit gray. But if you compare it to the fenders are OEM paint, and this just looks freaking amazing. As you all can see, I did leave some exposed carbon fiber, just like the Adro show cars that they have, or the shop cars, I should say. But yeah, I mean, this thing looks so good. The hood itself, obviously, it looks amazing, right? There's another Adro piece. It just looks really good, very high quality, full carbon fiber. And then it just matches this front bumper so well. Even though this is the V2 hood and it was, I guess, designed with the V2 bumper in mind, it still looks really good on the V1. And then not only that, but I did actually get the side skirts paint matched as well. So the side skirts are paint matched in Dravit gray. Looks really good. Come around to the back, I also got the rear diffuser trim also paint matched. And look, it just looks so good. Yeah, look at this. I think it really does complete the look of the car. I wasn't too big of a fan of the gloss black OEM trims. It looked fine with the OEM bumper, and if you have like the OEM gloss black lip that they had on the front. But if you go aftermarket, you get carbon fiber on here, especially with the Adro. I paint matched that bottom portion over here. So this, I think is supposed to be painted gloss black, this whole piece right here. But I did paint match it. So I think by doing that, it kind of made the OEM gloss black, like the side skirts and rear diffuser trim, just look a little bit off. So yeah, got it painted. Looks super good. Shout out to King's Auto Body for hooking it up. Yeah, I still pay for it, obviously, but they just did a spectacular job. I really don't have anything negative to say about their work. They paint matched this Dravit so well. And yeah, it just looks fire. Look at this. You can't tell me that does not look good. But yeah, just want to give you all a quick little update on this car. I really don't post full form videos that much. I don't really have too much going on or too much to talk about this car, except for I guess any updates in terms of expenses and mods and whatnot. But yeah, this thing just looks so good now. And yeah, damn, look at this. It looks so good. But yeah, just wanted to give you all an update. If you guys do watch my content pretty regularly, I do upload small little shorts. And majority of my stuff I post is on Instagram, TikTok, whatever. It's just the little reels to show off the car. But yeah, looks super good right now. Once again, shout out to King's Auto Body. But yeah, I hope you all do stick around and watch more stuff if I do post, and watch the shorts. But yeah, that's pretty much it.